Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another mukbang. It's a video, it's a video. I left my napkins in the other room, so I had to stop the camera. Alright, we got some tacos, cause it's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesdays. And then I feel like being cheese bay today. Cheese bay. Dang, ain't no cheese on none of them. Let's try this again. Hi cheese, hi salt bay. Cheese bay. Oh, you talking about? Cheese bay. Right. I didn't get nothing to put this sauce on here. Salsa bay. That was some hot sauce up in here. B. Lad weed. Ooh, this always gonna be good. I ain't bring no spoon. I just added as I wanted. Then I got some hot sauce. Regular. Oh. That ruined my night. Regular hot sauce. Why is it doing that? Why are you doing that? Stop it. Stop it. You ruined my thumbnail. Okay, just gonna hold it up. Thumbnail. Okay, so let's eat. I really wanna have a taste for some tacos. Oh, and some blue Kool-Aid. It's blue. Muchos delicioso. Muchos. Let me put some taco, but y'all know I ain't supposed to be eating no hard tacos. I gotta be careful. First crunch. So satisfying. Oh man. I keep forgetting how rubber band. Oh man, I ate the other one. I don't want to eat a rubber band. I think I ate it. Oh man. I ate it. Definitely ate it. Yep, I ate it. I feel it going down. I ate the rubber band. Yeah, I will. It's so good though. Y'all have to remind me. Take your rubber band out your mouth. I'm assuming it's gonna come out. Damn it. Don't you hate when it's stuff on? How's y'all's day going? I'm gonna make y'all a taco. Yo, like as soon as I'm be like, as soon as I'm like done recording my Taco Tuesday videos, I'll be like, man, I can't wait the next Taco Tuesday. Where y'all cook at? Here. Get y'all some Kool-Aid. You know how we do it around here. Sharing is caring. I know y'all having a blessed day. I know y'all having a blessed day because all my followers are blessed. We're blessed in the spirit. Okay, I'm not gonna sing. We're blessed when we come and when we go. Excuse me. A lot of people be telling me, why you just don't eat soft taco? To be quite honest, my favorite tacos are soft. I eat these because they're so crunchy. The sound is so ASMR-y. It's like every layer is a new layer. Oh, I'm so sorry. What kind of taco y'all want? Ooh. A few more months, you guys, hopefully. Or a few more months, I hope. Or this is insane. Y'all want mild, 2 times spicy, or Louisiana? I've actually had never heard of people eating regular hot sauce on the tacos until I started watching Mukbang. I know what y'all want. Y'all want that 2 times. This was not planned. I was not planning on eating a 2 times spicy taco. That wasn't the plan. But since we're here, might as well make a moment of it, right? Two times spicy taco. Mmm. Mmm. Of course, this was exactly. I need some more sour cream. What that taco needed. Wow. Oh my god. Mmm. That was good. That was good. That was good. I'm gonna put y'all on. Y'all know. Y'all know. Y'all know me. You know I'm gonna put you on to the latest and the great. Let me undo my belt. Whew. I'm gonna undo my buckle. Ooh. Wait, what is sour? Put some more. You know that Kool-Aid ain't good, right? Ah, my mouth. Oh, Lord. Oh, here we go. There you go. I want to shoot it with a little ear. Shoot. A little ear. Shoot, my cool, yo boo, that's true. Shoot, my shoe, yo on my shoe. And a little bit of there. Oh, too much. I'm doing too much. Look at that dripping in salt. No. I'm so sorry. Y'all ain't said nothing. This is supposed to be y'all taco. I ain't gonna make y'all. You don't know what my mouth done been. Everything is so good right now. I would've got water if I know I was eating 2 times spicy. The next taco is y'all's, I promise. So sorry. So sorry. I ain't never been so sorry in my life. Oh. Oh. Help me. I wonder what they were thinking when they created Samyang. Had to been like some mad scientist or something. Ooh, the corners of my mouth are on fire. This mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire. It's going on fire. Let's take out like that. I was trying to remember if I told y'all what was all orange taco. Make sure I ain't got no hard pieces caught in between my bracket, you know? If y'all try these, I definitely recommend the nacho cheese shells. And lots of sour cream. There's something about when that sour cream hit that 2 times spicy and it combine, it's good. No pepperoni. That meat is seasoning. Y'all did a weight check today? Hold on, am I flexing or am I not? No pepperoni. Oh, my belt. I'm gonna do the whole pant for this. Yes. Oh my God. Yo, bro. Y'all please forgive me. I was so inconsiderate. I'm gonna make y'all a taco. Alright. If I can stop picking my teeth. Did I shake this the first time? I'm probably eating all the potent part. Say shake well. Whoa. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Hiya. That's how my mouth feels. Hiya. My mouth feels just like that. Hiya. Hiya. Every time I bite it. Hiya. Karate kick my lip. Korea. Made in Korea. Struggleville. I'm glad y'all be really bearing with me on the real. On the real. Y'all really be having my back about this bracelet situation. I know anytime anybody say anything in the comment about the way I eat, I immediately put my hand on my forehead like, no, don't do it. That's the lion den. Don't do it. They gonna get you. No, don't do it. Please. Oh, my nose ring too. Y'all really sit here and watch me drink a whole pitcher of Kool-Aid by myself, don't you? Well, I gave y'all some too, so. I feel like I'm gonna edit this part out. I promise. Remind me. I just need to give my mouth a break. Excuse me. Sorry. I legit have to focus on chewing when I'm eating hard shells. That's a strong one. But I do it for y'all. I really do. It's a struggle. And my mouth is on fire. Them shells are like chewing glass. Sometimes, I swear. Oh man, that's delicious and nutritious. Okay, just like chicken. Well, beef. Got beef. Oh my god. I be trying to pick my teeth on the camera. This is so annoying. Anyway, that was another. My mouth's on fire. My lips are on fire. It was another Taco Tuesday. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the crunch and the munch. Of the video. Well, that was the bulk of the video. And can you please do me a favor? One favor. Just one thing. I want y'all to do one thing. Tell somebody you love them today. Peace.